Hi everyone, it's Jen. Thank you so much for joining me today. I got some happy mail, so I wanted to share it with you. The first thing I got is a beautiful card from Muriel, who is Ms. Cooper's Coop. I'm sure you all know her here on YouTube, but if not, I will link her down below. And she made me the prettiest card. I took it out of the envelope just so you wouldn't see, the addresses and whatever. It says, "The most wonderful time of the year." And I think this is a Echo Park collection, if I'm not mistaken. I love it. It is so cute and retro looking and vintagey. And I love how you matted this with red. It just sets it off perfectly. And again, on the background paper with the Christmas bulbs, you set it off with the red paper. What a pretty card. And it's flat enough to mail, which is great, but it still has a lot of interest. So I love it, Muriel. And the inside says, "Jen, may your holidays sparkle, shimmer, and shine with joy. Thanks for sharing your holiday crafts with us this year. Love, Muriel." Thank you so much, Muriel. What a beautiful card, and I really appreciate your thoughtfulness. So that is from my friend Muriel. And then this, I got a package from Armene, who you know as Happy Mail Queen. Thank you, Armene. Wow, this is a beautiful big box of goodies, and I just wanted to show the box because Armene decorated it so nicely with the pretty paper up here and then the stickers with the snowmen and Santas and reindeer. It's just so cute. So I'm going to go ahead and open this and take everything out, and then I will be right back. First, I just have to show you the inside of the box. Armene, I love how you decorated it. Armene put paper on each of the flaps and then stickers as well. This is so cute. What a good idea. I always say I'm going to do that, and I don't. I'm just like in such a hurry to package stuff up. But oh, what a nice touch. You cut these perfectly to size, and it's just such a nice way to open it. And then there was red tissue paper on top, and then all of these goodies inside. So yeah, let me take these out. Like I said, I'll be right back. Okay, I hope everybody has a beverage or something, because Armene, you sent me so much stuff. You really are the Happy Mail Queen. This box is loaded. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So, all right, let's get started. I think this is a card for me, so let's take a look at it. What a beautiful card. I love this bow. I think that's KS Craft bow. It's either that or Scrap Diva. And then the stocking is so cute, the shaker. Let me take it out of the bag so you can look a little bit closer. Look at all the cute shaker bits inside. I'll try not to take too long, but I do want to show everything that's on here. Oh, this looks like the trim from, like the trim that I have from Factory Direct Craft. It says, "Have yourself a merry little Christmas." It's all silver and pastel. And look at that gingerbread man. Oh my gosh. Did you die cut that? What is that? Is that a sticker? That is so cute because it's like, it's got like a burst pattern on it. Wow, that is so cool. And a tiny little candy cane. Pom-poms on the end of the cuff of the stocking and on the toe. This is so cute. So nice and detailed. I love this paper back here that's embossed, the silver paper, and then distressed paper behind that. What a gorgeous card. I love all the different layers. It's so pretty. Let me just read this quick. Oh, crafty hugs to you too. What a beautiful card. And then that's the back. Inspired by life, created by hand. I love that saying. One-of-a-kind art created by Armene. Yay! Thank you, Armene. I'm going to put this with my family Christmas cards with Muriel's too. So thank you so much. Okay, I don't know if there's an order, so I'm just going to take. Okay. So there's this cute little gift package. Oh, this ribbon's gorgeous. Special delivery with the red truck. Wow, that is so pretty. And it's glittered. Okay, and then we have, it's tied up with, oh, that's that, I remember seeing this on your channel, the yarn. Oh, that's beautiful. See that? It's got like a sparkle thread running through it. And then eyelash trim and a jingle bell. This is so nice and festive. Oh, I'm so excited. I was just wrapping Christmas gifts before, and I love wrapping Christmas presents. I know a lot of people don't, but I really, really do. Ever since I was a kid, my sisters and I would like get so excited to go to the Hallmark store to buy wrapping paper. Okay, so let's take a look inside. Oh, yay! Oh, a bunch of Hello Kitty stuff. Oh, yay, from Daiso. I remember when you hauled this on your channel. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. As you know, I do not have a Daiso here in New York, so oh, this is so nice. Look at this little box. It's an 8-pocket pill case. That is so cute, and I am going to use this for my pills because I take vitamins and medication and stuff, so Why not make that time of day a little bit cuter? So cute, thank you. And then this little Hello Kitty, oh, a cream case. Oh, this is awesome because when I go traveling, you know, you could put your face cream or whatever in there, just a little bit of it. You don't have to take the whole big jug of it. Oh, that is perfect. Thank you. I love that. Or, you know, use it for whatever, even like earrings or something. And then, this was so, I remember seeing this on your channel and thought that was the cutest thing. A little mug topper with a Mickey head on it. This is great. So it'll keep your coffee warm or hot chocolate while you're doing other things. Love that. So cute. And then, ooh, the Hello Kitty foot mask. I saw this too. I saw you showed this. This is great. Oh, I'd love to pamper myself sometimes. Ooh, strawberry cream scented. Perfect. Oh, they're so cute and Hello Kitty printed. Oh, I might use that tonight, actually. And then more Hello Kitty. This is slider bags. Look at the slider. It's a little Hello Kitty bow. And I keep shaking the camera. I am so sorry, but I am terribly excited. Oh, these are so cute. I love Hello Kitty. Thank you, Armin. Oh, I love all this. I can't believe that you sent actually more than this because this is a lot. Oh my gosh. I love it. I love this stuff. And I'm going to save the packaging, this ribbon, and yeah, the jingle bell, definitely. Okay, let's move on. I'm just going to grab whatever comes next. Okay, so this, oh yay, this soap. Oh, Armin showed her Bath & Body soaps in a haul, and I commented that, oh, I couldn't wait to find that scent, and she told me she was going to send me one, so thank you. And look at this bag with the gingerbread and the hot cocoa. Let's open it up so I could show you it. Oh, this ribbon's really pretty. It's very thin. It looks like gingerbread ribbon. I am saving that. Yay. Okay. Oh, it's called Gingerbread Bakery. Oh, doesn't that sound really, really good? I'm going to smell it. Hang on. See what it's hard to tell in the, oh, that smells really, really good. Sometimes you can't get a good sense of the smell by just smelling it like that, but it smells really nice and gingerbready, but with a nice bakery note to it. That's a fragrance note. Gingerbread cookies, brown sugar icing, and cinnamon spice. Oh, I love it. And it's the foaming kind too. I love that one. Thank you so much. I'm so excited to have that. I'm going to put it in my kitchen right away, actually. Okay, next we have, oh, look at this pretty package. You wrapped it like a candy. That's so fun. And this is that same ribbon, but it's like a burgundy color. Where'd you get that? I really like that. And it ties nicely too, it seems like, you know, like it holds the bow. It doesn't untie by itself. I like that. Okay, what do we have in here? Oh, yay, socks. Oh, I love socks. Oh, these are so cute. Look at that happy gingerbread person. Excellent. Oh, I'm going to put these on tonight too. Oh, and red too. Excellent. Thank you so much, Armin. I love cute socks. I have a sock addiction, actually. All right, let's keep going. All right, here we have, oh, look at this. Merry Christmas with the Mickey Mouse gang. That is so cute and very, very festive. I love these bags. Probably from Daiso, right? And I am saving the bag for sure. Let's see what we got. The pretty red festive tissue paper. Oh, yay, this ornament. Oh, I love it. It's so cute. This is from either Hobby Lobby or Walmart, I believe, right? And I don't have this. Oh, thank you. I love it. I love gingerbread. Both Armin and I love gingerbread and gingerbread decorations. I have, most of my gingerbread decor is traditional colors like this. I do have like a small area that has like pastel gingerbread, but this will go right on my tree and it'll look perfect. I love it. Thank you, yay. I love, you know, that's a good idea to give ornaments because then when you get them out every year, then you remember the person who gave it to you. I do, for sure. So let's see, okay, there's plenty more, you guys. We have some more jingle bells, another one of those cute little bags, and the pretty yarn and eyelash trim and a jingle bell. You package everything so well. I definitely struggle with packaging. I'm just not that detail oriented when it comes to like gift giving, but I'd love how other people do it, like you do, Armin. It's just so nice. The presentation is just gorgeous. Okay, let's see. Saving those bags too. Now, what is this? Oh, yay, another gingerbread ornament. Look at this guy. He is so cute. Where is he from? Oh, this is from Walmart? I didn't see this one. Oh, I love it. I love it. Oh, he goes so nicely with his friend. And he's holding it's either like a cupcake or a figgy pudding or a cake or something, standing on a cookie. He is adorable. I love his striped hat. So cute and sparkly. Thank you. Yay. Ah, I'm so excited, you guys. Oh, I love Christmas, don't you? It's just such a fun time of year. Okay, here's another package with Mickey and Friends. Oh, this paper clip is adorable. It's got a reindeer die cut on there, and then 2 jemmies for like buttons and a tiny little bow and a blingy on it. That is so cute. Did you make that? I love that. Definitely saving that. Okay, let's take a look inside. Oh my gosh. Oh, these are so cute. Oh, these are from Daiso, I remember, right? Okay, let's open this one first. Oh yes, these are ornaments. Oh, how cute are these? They really look like little gingerbread cookies. Oh, I love them. Love them. Thank you so much. These are going on my tree too. I'm going to go upstairs after this video and do some more decorating. And this is a banner. A banner. Open up the product and decorate the walls and ceiling. Okay. I'm just going to leave it in there right now, just so I don't get it all tangled up. But isn't that cute? With all the different little gingerbread. This one is, I think it's this one here. Yeah, with the gingerbread people. Oh, that's so cute. And the candy canes made out of felt. I love it. Sweet motif. Thank you, my gingerbread buddy. Okay, there's more. There's a couple more here. Okay, let's do this one right here. Now this one, oh my goodness, how beautiful is this? And I saw this on Armin's channel. I think this is the one you showed. And I just thought it was such a great idea to package in the file folder. And I think that's from Erica, right? The file folder die. What a great idea. Hang on, sorry for the crinkling, you guys. Okay. What a beautiful way to present gifts, right? It's hot Christmas cocoa, and she's got the little gingerbread person here with the bow and then a huge bow on her front. So cute. And I love this paper. That, oh, it looks so familiar to me. And oh, that's cute with the eyelet trim up there. Oops, 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 dropping stuff. And then that's the back too. I just wanted to show you all around. Okay, so let's get back here. Ooh, yum. Ghirardelli peppermint bark. I love peppermint bark. Actually, the kids and I just made some peppermint bark last night. And we usually make a few batches of it before Christmas because it goes so fast. So that's just for me. And then, oh, I love this die set. This is from KS Craft, and this is a gingerbread mug. I love how you use the brown glitter paper for the frame and the background. That just looks really, really good like that. And look at the shaker bits. There are little pink candies, little gingerbread guys, pink snowflakes, regular snowflakes, and then white glitter paper for all the trim, and the whipped cream, peppermint candies on the whipped cream, and this pretty striped paper for the straw and the handle. Oh, it's gorgeous. And that's, what's that, 5mm foam? That's nice and chunky. You fit a lot of goodies in there. Look at that, they move back and forth so easily. So cute. I love the eyebrows over the eyes. That's a nice touch. That is adorable. Thank you. Oh, so cute. I'm going to leave that out here so I can see it. And then we have, oh, it's so cute. Oh my gosh. Armin showed these on her channel, and how beautiful is this? I remember, what was it, like a year or two ago, Armin, you had the video of how to make rosettes, and you just make it look so easy, and you just do such a beautiful job. I just don't have the patience, and because they never turn out well, and yours turn out so beautifully. This guy, I think he's from Hobby Lobby, and he's holding a little candy cane, and he's got a die-cut heart behind him. And then there are 2 rosettes stacked on top of each other with a circle in between, eyelash trim, there's a bow, and that pretty yarn again, and there's a snowflake gold charm, a jingle bell, and oh, that tag is so cute. Merry Christmas with the like baking wreath with the gingerbread on it. That is adorable. And then it's on the Lindor chocolates Milk chocolate truffle bar. Oh yeah, that one's for me too. I love it. Love, love, love it. Isn't that gorgeous? I mean, I just have to admire that. And this rosette has little hearts. They both do. So there's a smaller one and a bigger one. You make these so beautifully. Wow, that's amazing. Amazing. I'm running out of room here. I'll just put that there. Okay, next in this little package we have, oh, these are marshmallows. I think they're from Dollar Tree, right? Because I got these too. They actually taste really, really good. So thank you. These will be perfect in my hot cocoa in a cute little vellum bag. Speaking of hot cocoa, ooh, peppermint hot cocoa. Yum, from Starbucks. I love their hot cocoa. Oh, I can't wait to try that. Thank you so much. And then, oh, a candy cane with a chocolate spoon with little crushed candy canes on it. I hope I'm in brain for this, you guys. I keep holding it down here, and I should hold it up here. And they're taped together with pretty washi, the yarn and eyelash trim. It's so beautiful. And the inside has that pretty paper. Well, it's double-sided paper, so perfect. What a fun way to package up a hot cocoa goodie gift set. I mean, this is amazing. I can't believe all this stuff you sent me. And there's more, you guys. Hang on. Okay, this is the last package. It's huge. Oh my gosh. Wow, you sent me so much. I can't believe you fit all this. I mean, that was a big box too, but everything was packaged so nicely and just arrived in wonderful condition. So you know what you're doing with packaging for sure. Some more of this beautiful truck ribbon, which I am saving again. And I'll just move that over. What is this? Pretty red tissue paper. Ooh, it's bubble wrapped. Oh, wait a second. I think I have an idea. I think, yes, my memory is coming back because Arlene asked me, she said she was going to send me some Merry Mail, which was so nice, and she asked me if I had something. So maybe that's what this is. I'll tell you if I'm right in a second. You wrapped this really well because you know the post office going from California to New York could take a beating. Oh, that's pretty washi with the peppermints on there. Very nice. I'm going to save this bubble wrap too because I use it for packaging a lot. Hi Gus. Gus is here too. He just came to see what's going on. Want to say hi, Gus? No. But he's here. Okay. Oh, look at that tape. That's really pretty. It's got crowns all over it. That's so neat. It's a clear tape. Yes! Yay! Oh man, this is so cute. Oh look, it's perfect, Armin. It arrived perfectly. Armin asked me if I had any Rae Dunn mugs with Christmas toppers, and I do have one that has a Santa hat on it. It says Santa, so this will be perfect addition to him. I have him on my coffee bar, and I'm going to put this right next to him and think of you every time I see it, Armin. Oh, I love it. Thank you so much for everything. You totally spoiled me, and I'm just so happy for your friendship and just, you know, getting to know you and chatting and sharing our love of gingerbread and other crafty things. So thank you so much. I really, really appreciate everything. And thank you, Muriel, for the beautiful card. I'll think of you guys when I see them on my card display. And of course, Armin, when I use all these things, I'll think of you too. So thank you so much, everybody, for watching. I will leave Muriel and Armin's channels down below, and I'll be back soon with more crafty videos. Take care, everybody. Bye.